Hi everyone, my name is Atul. Welcome back to this particular video in which I'm going to connect your communication skills to your subconscious mind. Yes, you must have heard about this term called as conscious mind and subconscious mind. I'll dive in more about it, but let me just give you a brief about it. Why I'm telling you this is because everything in our life is related to the mind. Yes, what we do in our day to day life is also connected, and the second and the most important part related to communication skills is the more deeper your mind connections are, the pattern that you hold in your mind are the most important ones. That is the only one which reflects in front of an audience, right? So, if you really want to learn communication skills and apply, but if you're not able to do that for some reason, but there is some connection related to it in your subconscious mind. Let me just tell you more about it in this particular format. As you can see my mind map here, I've written communication skills excel the power of your subconscious mind. You must have come across about this particular mind in your later stage, but the problem is that a lot of people are unaware about the possibilities that the mind can do. So with the effect of effective communication skills, these patterns are very important. Now let's check it out. You must have seen an iceberg, right? So if you look at the tip of the iceberg, it's about 10%, that is your conscious mind, and second is the 90% where the most crucial part of an iceberg is. That is your subconscious mind, which holds about 90% of the power. Now why I'm telling you so, it actually driven everything driven in our life is about subconscious mind. Now what to do to change the patterns? All right, change your pattern of thinking. Now if you have any trauma or any past image which is stored in your mind so deeply related to something which is probably must have happened in a meeting, or somebody must have told you on a stage, or some criticism that you must have got, but all this gets stored in your subconscious mind. And the reason why you're not able to overcome this is because you're not doing anything about it, right? The problem is that we know that we have some memories related to unwanted things must have happened, or some kind of humiliation must have happened, but all this, it gets stored in your subconscious mind, and that really creates a resistance for you to learn. Second is everything is in the core memory, right? So whatever you hold the memory in terms of any communication problem you must have happened, or probably you must have tried to speak to someone, or try to make conversations also with people, but still you must have not got the proper feedback, or people must have made fun. Probably usually friends make a lot of fun in this. Now all this gets stored in your subconscious mind because it has a lot of logic related to memory, right? And it works in a pattern. So here also one of the most important residents rise. Second is, if you really want to learn, be shameless in learning and applying new ideas, right? Now basically what happens is whenever you find yourself that you learn some new words, just apply it. Okay, just apply it. Make sure that you have a conversation with someone and try to push yourself as much as you can. Guys, this is very important. Try to push yourself as much as you can, because the reason being, the more you'll push yourself towards learning communication skills and applying it in the day to day life, the more experience you'll get.